Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing the keto friendly Starbucks drink. I'm gonna show you guys around, what I get from Starbucks. It's so inexpensive. It's like $3. I just wanted to share with you guys what I get from Starbucks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like bye-bye.
Hello. I want the Grande Iced Doppio.
Grande
Iced Doppio. Blonde.
Oh, you a large? You said an iced Doppio?
Yeah.
Large?
Yeah, I can do large.
Oh, okay. Okay. Anything else for you?
4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. Half heavy cream and half water.
All right. Half heavy cream and half water.
Oh, can I have 2 of that?
The Doppio?
Yeah, the same.
Okay. All right. Anything else for you?
No, that'll be all.
All right, your total's gonna come to 626.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna try the drink. This is what it looks like. I got the large. It's so good. Oh my god. So each coffee was like $3 and something cents, and 2 of them was $6 and something, so it's pretty cheap. It's so good. Like, oh my god, I definitely see myself drinking this often. I mean, not every day. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I could definitely see myself drinking this when I need a boost of energy. I'm gonna put out all the macros and stuff right here so you guys can see like the calories and all that stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I'm in love with you. I'm in love with the cocoa. I'm in love with you. No, no. Got it for the